Hey, welcome back to Hidden Classic Deals. I'm John Statham, and today we're checking out classic cars under $8,000. Some may need a little work, but they all have potential. Let's get started.
Number 1. 1960 Chevrolet Bel Air. Some project cars simply need a new owner with a vision, and this 1960 Chevrolet Bel Air fits that description perfectly. Offered at $4,200, this classic Chevy provides an affordable opportunity to own one of the most stylish full-size cars of the early 1960s. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this Bel Air already has a newly installed floor and shows approximately 58,421 miles. While there are still a few areas of rust that need attention, the seller notes that the remaining repairs are manageable. The car currently does not have an engine or transmission, making it an excellent candidate for a custom build, street machine, or restoration project. Located in Frankston, Texas, the vehicle includes a rear seat, though a front seat will need to be sourced. Delivery is available for interested buyers. With its iconic body lines and endless customization possibilities, this Bel Air offers a solid foundation for creating a classic that stands out from the crowd. Number 2. 1950 Chevrolet Sedan. There's something special about a classic car that has survived the decades while keeping much of its original character intact. Priced at $5,200, this 1950 Chevrolet is a running and driving example of post-war American automotive history. Located in Clarksville, Arkansas, this Chevy features a traditional 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column and remains largely original throughout. The seller reports that the car runs and drives well with no smoke, making it a great choice for someone looking for an enjoyable vintage cruiser. Adding to its charm are the classic fender skirts and timeless styling that continue to attract attention wherever these cars appear. Whether you're heading to local car shows or simply enjoying weekend drives, this Chevrolet delivers the authentic feel of 1950s motoring. Number 3. 1955 Cadillac Classic. When it comes to classic American luxury, few names carry the prestige and presence of Cadillac. Available for $7,000, this 1955 Cadillac offers a chance to own one of the most recognizable luxury cars of its era. Located in Katy, Texas, this gray Cadillac remains a running vehicle, although it has been parked for over a year and will require some attention before returning to regular use. The seller notes that the upholstery and exterior paint will need restoration, creating an opportunity for the next owner to bring this classic back to its former glory. From its elegant body lines to its unmistakable 1950s styling, this Cadillac captures the spirit of an era when automotive design was all about luxury and distinction. For collectors and restoration enthusiasts alike, it represents an exciting project with tremendous upside potential. Number 4. 1977 Ford Mustang II hatchback. Finding a classic Mustang that still runs, drives, and remains largely original is becoming increasingly difficult. Priced at $6,500, this 1977 Ford Mustang II hatchback offers a great opportunity to own a survivor from an often overlooked chapter of Mustang history. Showing approximately 70,000 original miles, this off-white Mustang features an automatic transmission and remains mostly unmodified. The seller describes it as a solid survivor, with a straight body, solid floors and frame, and very little rust for its age. While the paint shows fading and peeling in certain areas, especially on the hood, the car remains an honest driver that can be enjoyed immediately. Located in Tyler, Texas, this Mustang comes with a clean Texas title and presents an excellent platform for restoration, preservation, or simply cruising. Its originality and solid condition make it a standout among many project cars currently available. Number 5. 1990 Buick Reatta. If you're looking for a classic that's a little different from the usual muscle cars and cruisers, this 1990 Buick Reatta deserves a closer look. Offered at just $3,995, it combines sporty styling, comfort, and collectible potential in one unique package. Finished in bright red and showing only 70,000 miles, this Reatta remains a striking sight on the road. The sleek coupe design helped make the model one of Buick's most distinctive vehicles, and clean examples continue to attract interest from collectors and enthusiasts. Located in Houston, Texas, this car comes with a clean title and is described as being ready to enjoy. Whether you're searching for a future collectible, a weekend cruiser, or simply a unique classic that stands apart from the crowd, this Reatta offers excellent value at an affordable price. Number 6. 1979 Chevrolet El Camino. Part muscle car and part pickup truck, the Chevrolet El Camino has always occupied a unique place in automotive history. This 1979 example is available for $7,000 and offers classic V8 power with everyday practicality. Located in San Antonio, Texas, this El Camino is powered by a 350 V8 and is reported to run well. The vehicle features a nearly new paint job that helps it stand out while maintaining its classic appearance. Although it needs a new set of tires and currently lacks air conditioning and a stereo system, it remains a solid and usable classic. For buyers looking for something different from the typical muscle car, the El Camino delivers a combination of style, utility, and vintage appeal that few vehicles can match. It's the kind of classic that draws attention wherever it goes. Number 7. 1948 Chevrolet Coupe. Some project cars come with possibilities, while others come with nearly everything you need to create something special. Offered at $3,500, this 1948 Chevrolet Coupe falls into the second category. Located in Waurika, Oklahoma, this classic Chevy includes not only the vehicle itself, but also an additional frame equipped with rack and pinion steering and mounts for a V8 engine and transmission. The seller notes that the car is complete and can be heard running. The vehicle will require brake and wiring work, but it comes with both a title and registration. With its chopped-style attitude, louvered hood, and included components, this Chevrolet presents an exciting opportunity for someone interested in building a custom street rod or restoring a classic coupe. Number 8. 1949 Plymouth Deluxe. Vintage style meets modern V8 power in this unique 1949 Plymouth Deluxe. Priced at $4,100, it offers a blend of classic looks and upgraded performance that many enthusiasts appreciate. Located in San Antonio, Texas, this burgundy Plymouth features a Chevrolet 350 V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car starts easily, sounds great, and benefits from a refurbished fuel tank and a nicely finished interior. The vehicle currently needs a brake cylinder, and a new brake booster is included with the sale. With a clean title and only a few remaining items to address, this Plymouth could quickly become a fun weekend cruiser or local car show participant. Number 9. 1957 to 1964 Jaguar MK1 and MK2 collection. Opportunities to acquire multiple classic Jaguars at once are rare, making this collection especially interesting for restoration enthusiasts. Starting at just $2,000, these Jaguar MK1 and MK2 models offer tremendous potential. Located in Houston, Texas, the seller is offering 4 largely complete Jaguars ranging from the late 1950s through the mid-1960s. One vehicle has already undergone professional restoration work and simply needs to be reassembled. Another is a desirable right-hand drive example finished in green. Several of the cars are equipped with Jaguar's respected 3.4-liter engines, and the collection includes both manual and automatic transmission models. For someone looking to tackle a rewarding restoration project or build a collection of classic British luxury cars, this is a unique opportunity. Number 10. 1964 Chevrolet Bel Air. Classic Chevrolet styling and V8 power never go out of fashion. Offered at $4,500, this 1964 Chevrolet Bel Air provides an affordable way to get behind the wheel of a vintage Chevy. Located in San Antonio, Texas, this blue 4-door Bel Air is powered by a running 350 small block V8 and remains a complete vehicle. The seller describes it as a solid project with a clean interior and plenty of potential for future improvements. The primary issue noted is a transmission problem, and the vehicle does not currently have a title. Despite that, the car presents a great opportunity for someone looking for a budget-friendly classic with a running V8 already in place. Number 11. 1979 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Euro Coupe Landau. Big body Chevrolets continue to attract attention, and this customized 1979 Caprice Classic Euro Coupe Landau is proof of why they remain so popular. Available for $5,500, it combines classic style with modern upgrades. Located in San Antonio, Texas, this Caprice features a 350 V8 TH400 automatic transmission, Edelbrock performance components, and a clean title. It rides on new 26-inch IROC wheels and includes a custom interior featuring seats sourced from a newer Dodge Challenger. The car runs and drives, and the seller notes that the air conditioning system is still installed. While it could benefit from fresh paint and finishing touches, it already offers a strong foundation for anyone wanting a custom box Chevy with plenty of personality. Number 12, 1978 Chevrolet Impala LS Sedan. Full-size American cruisers never go out of style, and this 1978 Chevrolet Impala LS brings together classic comfort and modern custom touches. Priced at $6,000, it's ready to be enjoyed right away. Located in Sheridan, Arkansas, this brown Impala runs and drives well and comes with a clean title. Under the hood, it features a V8 engine upgraded with a new 4-barrel carburetor and Summit intake, helping improve performance and drivability. Inside, you'll find several custom upgrades including an in-dash audio system, multiple speakers, subwoofers, a lithium battery bank, and a Starlight headliner. Riding on 26-inch wheels and backed by numerous new parts, this Impala offers a blend of vintage style and modern customization that is sure to attract attention wherever it goes.